They call this the Devil's Playground. And standing here, it's easy to see why. Today, we're boondocking at the edge of the Amboy Crater, a 79,000-year-old volcanic cinder cone, sitting right off the iconic Route 66. It's basically a giant vintage charcoal grill. Living out here means trading suburban noise for silence and paved roads for ancient lava flows. So, is hiking into a volcano a good idea? Probably not, but it's a Tuesday, and we've made worse decisions. Grab your boots and an excessive amount of water. We're heading into a literal blast from the past. Let's get into it.
Good morning, guys.
Hi.
Still a little chilly this morning here in Amboy Crater. I remembered the name of it this time. You excited for today?
Mm-hmm.
You remember last week, I threw down a small challenge to see if I could get Katie to make it to the top of that volcano. I think we're gonna get some breakfast going, start warming up a little bit.
And make some adventure snacks.
Make some adventure snacks. What are we having for breakfast?
Egg and cheese burrito. Breakfast of volcano champions.
Okay, real quick before we get breakfast going, we figured out a cool little hack. Everybody knows in an RV, you throw your dishes on top of your little grate on top of your sink. There's no real place to put your dishes to kind of sit and dry. So what we did was we found a dish rack that was small enough to fit in the sink. And you simply flip it over and you got a dish rack.
Ta-da!
Completely simple.
The magic of zip ties.
It's just zip tied on the bottom and holds really nice. This one even adjusts out a little bit so you can kick it out a little bit farther. If you got company, you'll need a couple extra little plates on there or something like that. But it's worked out really well. It traveled really well. It fits really well, and it's out of the way. So just wanted to share that with you guys. What you got going on this morning?
Putting on my hiking boots because we're gonna hike to the top of that volcano.
Do you think we're gonna make it?
Yeah, I definitely think we'll make it there. The other question is, will we make it there without getting injured? Because we took a little promenade yesterday through the lava rock and that shit is sharp. Don't wear sandals.
I think she's basically talking to me. I hate wearing shoes. And today I'm actually wearing shoes to go hiking. Because I figured with lava rock, it's going to be that one rock that I don't see that my big toe hits and just completely rips it open. So we're being safe today.
And there's snakes and apparently military explosives. Brian and I like to go off of the trail here and there at most places, but I'm not really gonna do that. I'm definitely gonna stay on the trail. If I see a cute flower, I'm just gonna let that cute flower be. No exploding today.
Katie made us a new adventure bag. We can put all of our camera gear on. And Brian can try and get on. It's still new, so I'm not really sure how to work it yet.
Basically what I did is I took just a generic backpack. I added pockets to the sides, and I also put clips so that we could attach our drone bag. And of course, there's plenty of room for snacks and drinks in the middle.
Oh, you gotta have snacks and drinks.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, not cocktails. One of the biggest things or why we made this backpack was a backpack fills your whole back. And if you've ever hiked a bit and the sun's out, your whole back is just sweating underneath that. So she took that backpack and took it down to maybe half. Mm-hmm. So now it's just this thinner backpack on my back so I don't sweat to death.
We streamlined and made it fit us. Because I did look for camera equipment backpacks online and in stores, and they're freaking expensive. So expensive. Like, I get it, there's more detail and cushion and stuff. Yeah, we kind of have more rugged stuff. We're gonna upgrade one day.
We ready?
Maybe if we get to when we get to 5,000 subscribers, we'll invest in some more equipment.
They suggest that hikes be planned between the months of October through April.
That's us.
I wonder why.
I wonder why. So with this hike, is there anything you're looking forward to seeing or experiencing? in particular?
Honestly, I'm just happy that we're out. We've only made it 100 feet onto the trail, and already I've learned so many new things. They have all the plaques on the side of the trail that just kind of give you little bits of information as you go.
So anyone that has done a lot of hiking and has been on trails where they have the little about nature or the area and the land has probably noticed that they get sun damage really easily. It kind of sucks when you get excited to read a plaque and you come up and it's just sun damaged. It's just blank.
Well, it has to, you know, survive the volcanic eruptions.
Yeah, apparently. I mean, they're just preparing for the worst. Mankind ends, but the plaques will be red for aliens in the future.
Yeah.
So the Chuckwalla will go into a crevice and inflate its body with air so that predators can't get it out. That kind of sounds like me when I'm PMSing. I just get super bloated and wedge myself into bed. So I don't get forced out to do anything I don't want to do. We're walking now on top of a proper lava flow site. Just looks like a yellow brick road, but it's a black brick road, I guess.
I feel so out of shape. Insert punchline here. After the holidays.
Oh,
we all
yeah.
know we got to work it off after the holidays. Man, in your family, they can cook. Even when I don't want to eat a second portion, I eat a second portion, which is, I think, a bad thing for a guy that likes starches. We're beeping, we're going to explode.
Is it this?
Yeah.
How do you turn it off? Okay, all right, we're rusty. We haven't done this in a while, okay?
I thought you strapped a bomb to the back of my...
I know, right? Military explosive. Do you see him on the road?
Oh, yeah. He's a pretty guy.
He's pretty. He's just doing the perfect thing.
So are you. Did you give him a name?
Chuck.
Chuck it is.
I am the prophet, Chuck.
Definitely looks steep.
Yeah, it looks bigger when you're this close. I thought I was being over-prepared by packing us some hearty snacks, but after seeing how tall this is, I'm glad that I did.
All right, we're starting up.
And just for the record, if you're like in decent shape and you see me do a hike, you can do it too. I'm not a super fit person, and I'm more of a weightlifter than a using your leg person. What extreme sports do you do? I hike up volcanoes without health insurance.
Get to the top, you can have some water. How about that?
Yeah, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna breathe.
All right, so we're at the top. You guys enjoy some drone footage here while we catch our breath.
Say hello to the Amboy Crater. It's a dormant cinder cone that's about 79,000 years old. It hasn't actually erupted in 10,000 years, but standing in this lava field still makes you feel like you're on another planet. As you hike up, you'll find a solidified lava lake at the top. Sadly, this is not to be confused with a lava cake, which was a huge disappointment for us personally. No chocolate, just basalt. All these dark rocks used to be molten lava expelled at temperatures between 1,470 degrees Fahrenheit and 2,190 degrees Fahrenheit. But these days, they've cooled down enough to be useful. You can actually use them as pumice stones for your crusty hiking calluses, or as heat-resistant rocks for a fire pit that won't explode. Speaking of exploding, keep your eye out for unexploded military explosives. Yeah, apparently the desert likes to keep you on your toes. For the hike, we came in and did the crater rim, which is going up and around half of the rim of the crater volcano. And then we've dipped down into the bowl cup or center of it. And holy crap, it is hot. There is not as much of a breeze in here, and all these hot rocks. I can feel the heat coming up off the rocks and from the sun. So yeah, it's pretty toasty in here. But there's some cool spiral over here though to check out. All right, that's enough of a hike for today. Let's get out of here. We just got back from our hike. We are grimy, dusty, and sweaty. We want to take a shower. There's one thing we did not stock up on, and that we don't have. That is body wash. We do not have body wash. Shampoo and dish soap will have to be a sufficient substitute for a little while.
So what do you think of Amboy Crater?
I really like it as a little weekend boondocking spot.
Yeah, what would be the recommended amount of time you'd stay here?
I think a weekend, 3 days probably.
Yeah, that'd be the max?
Yeah, I think so. So you got a nice volcano to hike and look at, and the sunsets and sunrises have just been beautiful here. So I think that's a good time to soak up all of that.
If we did 5 days, I think I'd hike the volcano twice.
Yeah. And I think if there was a meteor shower or some type of celestial event and we're anywhere in the area, I would really like to come here and see meteor shower, because that would be just so freaking cool.
This is one of the places they say that gets so dark at night, when it's a new moon, you can see every star in the sky. There's no light pollution. So that would be amazing. It's amazingly green out here right now. Don't know if it's from the water, from all the rain, or if it's the time of year or what, but the temperature out here is spot on. Especially for as cold as everybody is in the country right now. I hate to say it, but we capitalized on the West Coast here quite a bit.
I would definitely not recommend coming here during the summer. Yeah, for a nice little snowbird winter weekend, hell yeah.
Yeah, it's BLM, right?
Yeah.
So you got 14 days.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the season too.
Yeah.
They don't recommend hiking the volcano in the summer. Unless like we have our air conditioning set up, we could do it. Like if it's a really cool celestial event going on, like a meteor shower.
Yeah.
Or something like that, I would do it.
Joshua Tree is just south of us by maybe an hour. And so even if somebody stopped at Joshua Tree, they could come up here and then head north from here. You could tie on to the 40 to head east, or, head back towards the 15 and, head north.
And we're on a slab that's just a couple minute walk to day use area. And every single day we have seen cars driving periodically. There's so many people enjoying it just for a little day hike too. So this isn't just a strictly camping spot. Like if you're close by and you just want to drive here for a hike, there's bathrooms and picnic areas up there.
Yeah, it's been amazing how many people have just driven by for the day for a couple hours on their way down Route 66.
Yeah.
So we just saw a Corvette Club pull in right now.
Yeah, we've seen a ton of motorcycles too, motorcycle groups. Just be aware there is no water at that rest area.
Yeah.
So vault toilets, and that's about it.
Well, we don't know where we're going next.
Nope.
This will be fun. Make sure you check back next week to see where in the hell we're going, because we have no idea yet.
Yeah. We got to figure that out before tomorrow morning when we hitch up and leave.
But that's one of the best things about this, is you don't need to know where you're going. You'll figure it out.
All right, let's enjoy one more sunset here.
Thanks, guys. Make sure to click like and subscribe. Definitely helps us out, especially with this new YouTube algorithm.